Hi everyone! For today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make aloe vera gel plus how to use aloe vera gel in your hair shower routine. Aloe vera is very safe, so even you use it once or twice a week to your hair, that would be fine. This aloe vera gel promotes hair growth, protection from UV damage, helps on itchy scalp, controls greasy hair, and strengthens hair. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, and let's start! This is MamaG and welcome to my channel. This is the fresh aloe vera leaves, which is the best way to use it in the hair. Not only in the hair, but also in the skin. Anyway guys, the aloe vera that you will extract should be based on your hairline. So in my case, I need one more stem to cover my whole hair. Just cut the aloe leaves in a square like this and soak this for 15 minutes to completely clean the flesh. After 15 minutes, this is we're done. Kinda yellowish, but you don't have to worry. This is a good sign that the latex has been removed. Use a clean and sharp knife. So now we're gonna remove the spiky sides of each piece. So just be careful guys, don't hurt yourself. Now we're gonna extract the gel. So by doing this, you're gonna carefully cut the aloe vera right there in the middle. Like this. Using a spoon, scrape the jelly part in this way so that you can get the slimy gel from the aloe, which we're gonna apply on the hair. Look at that. It makes me relax. And now I'm gonna take out my two braids, my overnight braids. As usual, before taking my shower, I detangled my hair using this bamboo comb. So this is my hair after 5 days with no shower. If you want to have a healthy hair, don't wash your hair every day. I'm gonna open the shower and turn the lukewarm water. Here we go! Oh, it's too cold! So now I'm gonna make my hair wet, okay, for 1 minute. And now I'm going to use Bioderma for my shampoo. Wow, have some bubbles. Let's break down! So remember guys, don't put directly the shampoo on your scalp, just rub your hands like this and clean your scalp. Remember, shampoo is for the scalp and conditioner is for the hair. Now, I will be using Massage Scalp. This one increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of hair follicles. Scalp massage may help dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, thereby encouraging hair growth. And now I'm gonna rinse my hair. And yeah, I'm ready for the aloe vera gel. Let's do it! It smells not very good, but yeah, we will do it. So by starting, take out the excess water from your hair. And we will start to put on the top, okay, and move by down motion. Only one direction to avoid tangles. Normally, I do 3 different treatments. First, I leave aloe vera in my hair for 1 hour before taking shower. So we call that deep hydration. Number 2, shower routine. If you apply aloe vera with a wet hair, it maintains hydration in the hair. Aloe vera going everywhere and I cannot control, guys. It's crazy because when the aloe vera goes to my back, going down, it tickles me. I promise you guys, this is so fun. Okay, so the third is overnight. I do overnight when my hair is very dry. It depends on how my hair is hydrated in the moment. Okay, so for now, my hair is okay. It's just, I love the result of the aloe vera, guys. And later on, you will see and you will understand what I mean. So I will be finish all the aloe vera. It's crazy, look at that. I know, guys, what are you thinking? Okay, so I will put all over my face because it's not only for the hair, this aloe vera, guys. It's also for the skin, so it's good. So my face also will be hydrated after rinsing all of this. So it's finished. I just want to say sorry, guys, for the light. My ring light is too big. The sunshine is too strong today. It's too bright, and whenever I move, it gives me a different colors. So I'm sorry about that. So I think we're done here. I will just cover my hair using shower cap for about 15 minutes minimum. So here is my hair after 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours. I make it 4 hours. If you want to have a best result, well, make it 4 hours. So the feeling right now is, I just love it. You know, my hair is too slimy. Actually, I don't want to wash it. But we have to. I will not put conditioner because aloe vera has its own conditioner, guys, for your information. So I will just rinse it with water, and I will not put any hair product when it's about to dry. So you guys will see the real result of aloe vera. I tried many hair masks with my hair, but aloe vera is the best ever, guys. You know what I feel right now? My hair turns to jelly. Very soft, slimy, and plus, it feels very thick and heavy. I just love this aloe vera method. It keeps my hair very hydrated and moisturized, and for boosting shine. Okay, so now I will be gonna dry my hair using microfiber towel. Take out the excess water by doing this. Okay, so never squeeze your hair with the towel. Be gently. So here is the result. And you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. My hair is much better texture, as always when I use this method. It's always recharged with this treatment, and it's more healthier strong, moisturized, and very shiny. My hair is not yet 100% dry, guys, because I am trying to chase the sun so I can show you in the natural light. So here is the result. Look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Oh my god, I just love my hair. So for the smell, guys, it smells bad. It smells nothing. It just smells natural. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope to see you again next time. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!